With M4 Plant, we offer our customers a comprehensive 3D software system covering all aspects of plant design and factory layout. The software supports the entire design process, from the tendering stage through to detailed design and documentation. In M4 Plant, plants and factories of any size can be designed and immediately visualized in 3D. The system supports the designer in his usual way of working. Because we understand the different needs of our customers, our software has a modular structure, which means that each customer can choose a software package tailored to their specific needs. For plant design, modules for drawing P&IDs and modeling 3D pipework, steelwork, ducting, and cabling are available. The system's auto-routing capabilities enable you to lay out pipework based on your P&IDs. You can also design supporting steelwork and route ducting and cabling in the same integrated design. Modules such as factory layout and mechanical handling will be of more interest to factory designers. Import existing 2D factory floor plan drawings from which 3D buildings can be quickly and easily generated. Lay out entire conveyor systems in either 2D or 3D with the help of the intelligent auto-routing. M4 Plant ensures consistently high design quality due to its integrated collision detection and consistency checking, which works across all design disciplines. This avoids expensive rework and project delays at the construction site. Naturally, you can check design costs too using the system's extensive parts listing capability. For project documentation, 2D drawings of any view, elevation, or cross-section of the entire design can be automatically generated and updated whenever the design changes. In addition, you can take a 3D walk through your plant or factory design at any time, and also forward the 2D, 3D design data to customers via email. A lightweight 3D viewer is available for customers to review and comment on your designs. Contact us today to try M4 Plant. We will be happy to support you in trialing and implementing M4 Plant to enable you to deliver your projects even faster in future. We look forward to hearing from you.